This is the SBKS small sprayer. It's very important to align the spray head up with the pickup tube before you start spraying, so you can reach all of the polymer in the bottle. When you start spraying your optic, do not keep the sprayer still. Lightly spray with a sort of sweeping motion from left to right. Our sprayers are very easy to clean with a solvent that is compatible with our polymer. This is our SBKM medium sprayer. Similar to the SBKS small sprayer, align your spray head to your pickup tube to get the most polymer. Also similar to the SBKS small sprayer, when you spray your optic, do not keep the sprayer still. Instead, lightly spray with a sort of sweeping motion left to right. This is our SBKT 16-ounce large sprayer. Make sure the sprayer head nozzle is turned to on. Do not keep the sprayer stationary. Similar to our other sprayers, lightly spray with a short sweeping motion left to right. This is the S16AR aluminum sprayer 16-ounce. This sprayer has a Schrader valve. You will need a bicycle pump or another source of compressed air. Simply hook the bicycle pump or your compressed air source to the Schrader valve. Once pressurized, disconnect your bicycle pump or your compressed air source. Then it is ready to spray. To clean, pour out any remaining polymer. Then add solvent and shake. Then pour out the solvent. Add clean solvent and repressurize. Then spray until solvent comes out to clean the pickup tube and spray nozzle. This is our Misto sprayer. Before you use the Misto, it's important to notice you only can fill it halfway. It's an easy-to-use pump-style cap featuring a two-step operation. Simply pump the container until you feel resistance, then press the valve on the pressurized sprayer. This is best for use on optics larger than 8 inches. Like our other sprayers, to clean, pour any remaining polymer back into the bottle. Pour a small amount of clean solvent into the Misto and shake. Then pour out the solvent and add a small amount of clean solvent. Repressurize the Misto and spray until the solvent comes out clean and clear.